Hi everyone, I am going to show you the steps needed to take your photos from iPhoto into Picasa web albums and then finally onto your blog or your Google site in a very slick embedded slideshow. So the first step is to have your photos in iPhoto, and you can see I have an event here. It's called 2014 August 1st week. Got my photos there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search my computer for Picasa Web Albums Uploader, and it is right there. If you don't have Picasa Web Albums Uploader, it is a free download, so just do a Google search for it. So now I want to make sure that I am signed in to my classroom account. So that is the very important. It's not your SAS account, your personal SAS account. It is your classroom account. Okay, as you get logged in, Picasa Web Albums is going to ask you if it would be okay to access a couple things of your Google-ness, and you can say okay, accept it, and then you are signed in. Alright, now, a couple things to do here. This section right here is where you're going to drag your event, and to do that I just simply make sure that my two windows are open and I can see both. And I take my event from iPhoto, I drag it, wait for that plus to appear, and drop it in. Once that comes in, you'll see that all the photos are then uploaded. I add my album name. This will be first week, 2014. I can give a quick description. I will keep it as unlisted. If there's a specific reason you'd like to make it public, for example, you want all your children just to be able to go to the public album and use that, you can change it to public. I would recommend keeping it as unlisted. Last thing, very important, that you want to keep it at faster upload. You want to scale large photos for faster upload. If you don't use that, you'll notice that you'll start cutting into your storage limit. Right now I'm only using 1% because I'm always doing faster uploading. If I keep it at better quality, I'm going to cut into that 30 gigs really quickly. Let's keep it in faster upload, and then I do a upload. So now when I click on view, it's going to bring me to the unlisted album. It's going to show me all the pictures that I just uploaded. Now I have the album open and I am logged in with that same account. If I'm just viewing it, if I just clicked on view and I'm actually not logged in to my classroom account, I will be able to see it, but I won't be able to grab the embed code for my Blogger blog. So if you don't see what you're looking at right now on this screen with the link to this album over here, you're looking at it as you would publicly, not as a logged in person. So what you want to do, make sure you're logged in, and then you're going to click on link to this album, and then you're going to click embed slideshow. Right here you can set the size depending on how you want it to look on your blog. Large is a pretty decent size. Once you've selected, you can then copy the embed code. You can show captions if you want, if you have some captions on there. Choose the size, small, medium, large, extra large, etc. I would recommend large or extra large depending on what you want to do with it. Copy the embed code, Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC. You're going to go to the blog, create a new post. You can title your post, and then what you're going to do is you're going to switch to the HTML. You can delete anything that's in there, and then you're just going to Command V or Control V on a PC and label it photos, class, pics, etc. And then when you're done, you can publish. Once you've published it, take a look at it by clicking on View Blog, and you should see the slideshow nicely embedded. Okay, and then you can then flip through it. It should play automatically because that's what we did, set it as lovely pictures from our class. Now, if you have a Google site, it's just as easy, perhaps even easier. But again, you have to make sure that you are on the same account. I'm on my classroom account. I'm back on my Picasa page. And actually, you don't need to grab the embed code if you're in a Google site. You just need to be on your site. I'm on my photo page within my site. I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to go to Google Plus and then Photo Album. It will then search my Picasa albums from my classroom website. I select it, click Select. I can do some changes here. There's a slideshow size. I'm going to say large. I can autoplay it. I can include a title. I can include a border. I don't have to do either one of those. I save it, save again, and you'll see the slideshow in the site.